Blockchain, an entirely new way of thinking about the validation of data, not just currencies, is now moving beyond the hype to genuine use cases in enterprises and government. Enabling this forward momentum is a new pragmatic emphasis on leveraging blockchain and other digital ledger technologies to optimize processes. Now that the market understands the underlying technical principles, the discussions Fujitsu has with customers today are 80% about business benefits and only 20% about technology enablers. Another fundamental difference is the support now available to enterprises from Fujitsu for blockchain as a service platforms and proof of business rapid prototyping frameworks. The new Fujitsu Flow suite of blockchain as a service offerings is a practical example of how blockchain and DLT is ready to roll out today in the enterprise. The first offering in the suite is Fujitsu Invoice Flow, which enables enterprises and government agencies to avoid and frequently eliminate the very real issue of accidental data error and the increasing problem of invoice fraud. Procurement fraud is estimated to cost UK business £127 billion a year, with the use of so-called crime-as-a-service gangs on the rise, where an invoice scam can be set up in less than a day, and the cyber criminals accept a percentage of the gains as their fee. Fujitsu Invoice Flow eliminates the threat of scams by cryptographically joining a buyer's purchase order, any related payments, and all related invoice data from the seller for the entire life cycle of the account. It's easy to use. Buyers and sellers can automate processes that prove invoices are genuine and then reconcile them with sellers' data. This is not a new island of technology. The cryptographic power of Invoice Flow is integrated via REST APIs to standard enterprise resource planning systems, such as SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, and Oracle Financials. Invoice Flow is just the beginning. It will be joined by new enterprise-ready as-a-service offerings in the Fujitsu Flow suite. The first of these will be Document Flow, aimed at users in any sector, providing proof of workflow approval, authenticity, originality, and version validity for any digital asset. This will be followed by Certification Flow, which creates validated proof of qualifications for educational institutions, students, employees and employers, and Task Flow for project and task-based employees, freelancers, and consultants. When integrated with Invoice Flow, Task Flow enables a tamper-proof, trustworthy record of activities, task duration, and task-to-invoice matching. Looking further ahead, Fujitsu is taking a leading role in the development of truly smart DLT contracts, as opposed to pieces of code that just trigger a specific action if certain conditions are met. Really smart contracts, where machine-to-machine data or transactions are automatically validated, require the use of data analytics and artificial intelligence prior to introducing data onto ledgers. This is the only way to ensure accurate, validated data enters the ledger in the first place. Fujitsu is a global leader in both data analytics and AI, and is applying them to prepare, manage, and automatically enforce elements of smart contracts. Fujitsu believes blockchain is one of the technologies that will transform how we live and work in the 21st century. Now that the hype is dying down, and as a service platforms like Invoice Flow are available, the time is right for enterprises to create new disruptive processes with blockchain. Fujitsu Blockchain, driving a trusted future. Fujitsu, shaping tomorrow with you.